To record your screen in 4K, first of all, we have to install an app. And you won't get the app in Play Store. So to get the app, go to your browser and simply search for Screen Recorder by Kimc929. Make sure to search using this keyword. And now here, scroll down and you have to open this apkpure.com link to get the app. So here we can see the app. Make sure the app by Kimc929. Now just scroll down and here just click on download APK and the app APK installer will be downloaded. Once done, just go to your Files app and just install the app. And here, as you can see, I've already installed the app. Now just open the screen recorder and now you have to allow permissions. Now just tap on the settings and here you have to scroll down and under video settings, first of all tap on resolution and here you will find these 4K resolution. Just select this resolution, or if you want to set a custom resolution, just tap here and now just select here aspect ratio and give here your custom width and height. In my case, I'm selecting this resolution, so this is basically 4K resolution. And after that, just click on bitrate and here you have to select 60 Mbps. If your phone doesn't lag or hang, just select higher bitrate here, because quality of recording, this bitrate is most important. Higher bitrate is most important. Now click on frame rate and to get a smooth screen record video, select 60 fps. And now if you want, you can record your phone audio from here and you can also customize audio bitrate from here. Okay, now just go to this video tab and tap on this camera icon and here you will get a window. Now to start your screen recording in 4K, just tap on this record button and allow permissions and just tap on start now and your screen recording will be start soon. And here my screen is recording. And to stop your recording, open your control center or you can go to the app again and just tap on this cross icon and here we can see the screen record successfully added into this app. Now just tap on this three dot and here you can trim the screen record, you can rename it. Now I'm going to opening the screen record and here we can see the result. Okay, now let's go to your gallery and here at the top of your gallery list you will see the screen record. As you can see, this is a very good quality. Now I'm tapping on this info button and here as you can see, this is a 4K screen record.